We are going to create our very first Python application or Python program. I'm going to go for new project, and with this new project, make sure the Python version, it automatically selects the Python that we recently installed, and over here you can specify the location of the project that we are going to use. For my project directory, I'm going to head over to this folder that I've created over here, and I'm going to select this folder called PyCodes. Okay, inside PyCodes, I'm going to have a new folder called Python project. So I'm going to call it Python project and say okay. Alright, now that I'm done with this, I'll go to create project. And now the project is set up. So I'll come over here, right click and go to new and then Python file. So over here you give it the name of the Python file that you are going to build or the Python program. So in my case, you can use any name for it, but then I'm going to say app. I'm going to name it app and go and press enter. Now that we are done opening or creating this app.py file, which is showing up over here, I'll just come over here and say we are going to design a program or code a program that is going to display hello world to a user, whoever is using our application. And as I said, Python is made up of codes and its syntax. Every programming language has its own syntax, and you are going to follow this syntax to write something that is going to display to a user, whoever is using our application. It's going to display hello world. So all you are going to do is you are going to say print, and in open and close brackets I'll have double quotation marks, and inside this double quotation marks I'll say hello world. And what this one is going to do is that it's the print here is called a print statement, and a print statement has brackets in front of it, and you put in whatever that you want to display to the user. So what I will do is I'll go to the top here. You see this this triangle over here, this play triangle. I'm going to tap on it, and the application is going to run the program. Alright, now when I press on this run button, you will see down here that I get this hello world over here. Now this thing you see over here is called a console, and basically this console is not really the interface of the application, but then it's only for we the developers, okay? And sometimes most times when you are creating an application, you would like to see what's going on in the application, the background values of the application, and a whole lot. So sometimes you would like to see what's going on in the background and the values of the things that you are doing. So it's going to be displayed in the console when you use this print statement up over here. Now I'm going to bring this up over the going to move to and go to right top, so that I get it side by side with this. I'll close this, and now you can see that this print hello world is displaying hello world over here. So basically this is our very first Python program, and we can run it again. If I should run it again, you see still we get this hello world printed nicely, or displayed nicely over here. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw a simple shape with our Python programming. So I'm going to clear this from our last tutorial, and now I'm going to use a bunch of print statements, and I explained what print statements are in the other before. And print statement basically is what we use to display things in our console or in our Python console. So today what we are going to do is we are going to print a basic shape. I'm going to print a triangle. I'm going to design a program that prints or that displays or draws a triangle to the user. So what we are going to do is we are going to say print, and in open and close brackets, I'll just leave it this way, and I'm going to duplicate this. So yes, I'm going to duplicate this to get 4 of them. Let me say 5. And over here, this is the base of the triangle. I'm going to have a /. Over here, I'm going to have a space and /. Here, 2 spaces and a /. 3 spaces and /. Over here too, I'm going to have 4 spaces and a /. Okay, now that I'm drawing the 4 slashes, I will have to add these pipes. So going to space and a pipe, space, pipe, three spaces and a pipe. Over here 2 spaces and a pipe. And the base of the triangle, I have to add some underscores over here. So yes, and this is a triangle, and if I should go to this run up over here, we can see in the console that our Python program executed perfectly, and we are having this triangle nicely printed over here. And look at this. If I should come over here and make some changes to it, let's say I bring this to the top here like this, and if I should run it, you see that the design that we are getting here is not the same as what we got the first time. So I'll undo this, and I'm going to explain this step by step over here. So basically Python does this. It goes to our program and go to line 1, there's nothing there. It goes to line 2, and line 2 is instructing it to print these spaces, a / and a pipe, and that's what we get over here. And the next one is this, and so Python draws it over here. We go to this one and it draws it, and in that order. So if for some reason we take this one and we bring it to the top here, then Python is going to print this one first, and so that's why when we run this program, it's going to run this one first before the rest. And so we are not getting the shape that we actually wanted. So your program here is going to determine what is going to be the output, and if you want to get the best output, then you have to plan very well. So this one should be here. So I'm going to leave an assignment here. We are going to draw a rectangle. This is triangle, so you are going to draw a rectangle shape, and I think this is a right angle triangle. So use it to draw an equilateral triangle, and you can also use it to draw some other shapes, And so yeah, this is how a Python program is written and done. And if this is the first time you are watching this video tutorial on this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss an update, because this is this tutorial is going to be in series of videos, so if you subscribe to the channel, you are not going to miss an update. Anytime you post, you are going to be notified so that you will be able to watch the next video tutorial and follow along with this tutorial.